Welcome to Brick Lane on a Sunday. Brick Lane has a long and diverse history. Noted in the history books from the 1500s as a pathway through a field, the lane was well known for brick and tile making that later led to the name. In the 1940s, many settlers arrived from Bangladesh, creating businesses such as the famous curry houses. By the 1970s and 80s, it had become known as Banglatown. At its height in the mid-2000s, Banglatown was home to around 60 Bangladeshi or Pakistani-owned curry restaurants. Working close by at the time, I used to visit often. I still come back for a meal occasionally, but there's a noticeable difference. In February 2020, there were only 23 outlets on Brick Lane and Osborne Street. That's a decrease of 62% in 15 years. Back in the 1680s, French Huguenots fled persecution in France, populating the area and bringing with them the lace and garment making of their culture. Around this time, the movement of Jewish communities also heavily influenced the lane, with tailoring. Founded in 1666, the Black Eagle Brewery was the former brewing plant of Truman's Brewery. Truman's Brewery was one of the largest brewers in the world at the end of the 19th century. The brewery was shut in 1989, and the old brewery buildings had become home to an arts and events centre and various shops and bars. The market used to be only on Sundays. Now it's open every weekend on Saturdays from 11 a.m. and Sundays from 10 a.m.
Only today, not tomorrow. Tomorrow, very sorry. Okay? I'll check. Right, juice. Why not? Why not only today? Only today, not tomorrow. Tomorrow, very sorry. I don't know tomorrow. Why not? Why not only today?
All fresh.
Juice.
Juice.
The Ribman, well known on Brick Lane's market, serving wraps, rolls and racks of baby back ribs, sourced from pigs that are reared outdoors on Norfolk and Suffolk farms. Another familiar sight of the market is the Brick Lane coffee cab, who's been serving coffee here for the last 8 years. Founded in 1855, the bagel shop was the original and first bagel bakery to open on Brick Lane. The bright yellow sign has earned it the nickname, the Yellow One. The Bagel Bake Shop opened in 1974 nearby. Both bagel shops are open 24 hours a day, 7 days a week. I hope you enjoyed this visit to Brick Lane. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe to the channel, hit the like button, enable notifications so you don't miss the next episode. See you next time.